Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video. Today is time for another update on this crypto.com series where I explain how to buy cryptocurrencies using a credit card, using a bank deposit. I even showed the process of signing in with this platform. It was just an example because I had already an account with Binance and Coinbase and other exchanges. Also, I signed up for the card, so if you're interested in anything about this platform, I have probably a video on this playlist. But now it's time for me to show you how to cash out, to basically sell your cryptocurrencies and convert them to fiat, and obviously transfer them to your bank account, because that's the end goal. And I said I was going to do that video when I finally decided to cash out on some cryptocurrencies, and I'm going to show it right now. Let me just hit record here on my cell phone, because we are using the crypto.com app. And remember, everything that you see in this video is not financial advice. I'm just here showing how to do this process. Is just for educational purposes. So now that you're seeing my screen, I'm going to tap the main button in the down that has the crypto.com logo. I'm going to crypto wallet just to see which cryptocurrencies I have here. I have 5,000 CRO tokens staked for the card if you already followed the series, but I am here planning to sell this Polygon or former MATIC cryptocurrency. Here you can see the history of me buying cryptocurrencies. In total I bought 1,133 for a price of 217 euros and 15 cents. Right now you're seeing only 1,073 because I had to transfer them to some wallets and transaction fees, and now I only have 1,073. Nonetheless, I'm going to withdraw my initial investment, or maybe just a little bit more, because right now I'm in a good profit and I just want to exit my risk. Actually, let me put maybe 800. 800 is too much. So, okay, this is fairly right. So I chose fiat wallet because you have here crypto wallet. If you want to convert into any other cryptocurrency, that might be handy, but here the purpose is to convert back to euros or US dollars or whatever, pound, British pound, whatever currency you're familiar with or you're using with. So yeah, you choose the amount. Remember, there's always a minimum. I cannot simply sell, for example, 50 MATIC. You can see here minimum 158. In this case, and this varies from cryptocurrency to cryptocurrency and from month to month, basically, from what I've seen. See, the minimum withdrawal is 46 euros, and you also need to have at least 100 euros, at least here in my account, to withdraw to a bank account. But this is not a problem because I'm going to sell 775. And something that I don't like about this platform, and I'm noticing now, you see the price here, it says that is 29.98 cents. So if I'm going to tap here into sell, I'm sorry if I'm being too quick, you'll see that this price is substantially lower. And okay, they say that you don't pay any fees, but here the spread is quite big and probably will be way better. Even with Coinbase Pro, you will probably pay a less fee. And now MATIC is also listed there. But anyway, I'm going to show, without talking me anymore, let me show how to sell it. It's pretty simple. Confirm your passcode or your touch ID, and voila. Now let's suppose you want to withdraw your money, because now you converted the cryptocurrencies into fiat currency, but it's still here on the app. So you probably want to exchange that back to your bank account. So again, you go to the main button in the main button in the bottom. This time, instead of pressing the top crypto wallet, you'll press fiat wallet. And sorry, this is taking a bit longer. And now I want to transfer, withdraw euros, but probably if you're using dollars or pounds, you will have that option. I only have euros because I've associated a bank account. You can see here, oh, actually the minimum is 100 US dollars, so in euros is a bit less at the current time. We never know. And let's see how much I want to. Actually, let me check. I have 225 euros and 7 cents. Let me do the process, because I thought that maybe they could see. Okay, I have here the option to tap max. Okay, And here in the bottom, okay, thank God it's censored, but you have your bank account definitions that you probably, if you use any bank account to make a transfer. So withdraw, and let's see what is happening, because I'm doing this for the first time. Let's see if we don't have any problems. Okay, everything is censored, but probably it's my account. Okay, you can see here, okay, they will review this request for 3 to 5 working days, and then of course bank transfer 1 to 2 business days. So it is going to take roughly a week to see my money, but I shouldn't have any problem. And let's tap confirm. Okay, your request is pending for review, and in a couple of days I will have this withdrawal approved, and then the bank transfer, I will have it in my bank account that I can use for my daily purchases, or I just use the crypto card here from this platform, but that's the topic for a previous video. I know this video was quick. This was just because I promised someone in the comments of a previous video, and I thought it was a useful and a bonus episode here on this series. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!